Hi, welcome back to LSCS Online Video Tutorials Part 6 of CCProg or 3, CCProg 3 or Object P. In the previous video tutorial, we talked about the basics of classes. So here, an example in Dog. So here we have your methods, like how it's talked about, and then their constructor, and now the different variables. So going back, we're now going to be talking about setters and getters. So here in this example, let's say I'm gonna give a particular example. Let's say I want to use an user input. So example, user input. So I'm going to create a new dog. So dog 3. Wait, let me fix this. Sorry. User input. So I want I'm gonna enter dog breed and then string breed to get the breed of the dog 3. So in order to get it, so I have to create the scanner. So as I previously mentioned, scanners, do scanner, scan the system in, then I have to import it there. If you forgot, in order to get the pop-up, all you have to do is hover around hover your mouse around over the error, so you could get the instant library. So there, I got the breed. The next, I'm going to have the user enter the dog's age. There, string. No, not string. Supposed to be int age. You go to next int, and then next, I'm going to create user input for. Sorry, let me remove the new line. Okay, let me fix this. Sorry, I immediately closed it. Enter dog breed. Then next, I'm going to have the user enter its color, dog color, and then have the user input string color, scan that next. Okay, and then I'm gonna place the parameters or the newly user inputs inside dog 3 or D3. So new dog, breed, age, color. Then I'm going to print it. So let me just copy paste there and change D2 to D3, and then place D3 to 1 to differentiate, so you can see it better. So there, when I ran it, so dog, then the previous one, and then there's the sample input. I placed hot dog, then I placed 20, then I'm placing brown, then white. Sorry, my fault. Then there I got white. So now the question comes into picture: what happened if suddenly I want to change? So like there, so I want to this is where the concept of getters and setters come into play. So I'm going to introduce you. So in getters, basically what it does is that I'm accessing the variables. Basically I'm asking for the variable. Example, if I want to get the age, or the breed, so I place public string get breed, then for age public int get age, and then for color public string get color. So there, basically these are the setter, but it's just a template for the setters. Wait, let me finish getters. Okay, so for getters, so what they do only is that they all return something. So they has to return, since if you take into consideration, the public has a variable beside it, so the string string. So basically it's automatically they have to return something. So based on the header, on the name, they're saying that I have to return a specific variable. So for get breed, this dot breed, then age, and etc. So basically, I'm just asking to ask for the variable. You'll understand the meaning of this. So for setters, now all you have to do, is to I'm just setting in a sense that I want to change something. Example, I want to suddenly change its breed, so I can use this function to change it. So public void set breed, set age, and then set color. So in this function, do you realize that how can I change something if I don't have anything? So now I'm creating the parameters in the setters. In the setters, it's automatic na you have to create the variables in it, the parameters. So as in the constructor, this dot breed is equal to breed, this dot age equal to age, this dot color is equal to color, to differentiate themselves. This referring to variables inside the class, and the non-this refers to the parameter. So now sabihin natin, let's say I want to change d1. So I'm gonna create system.out.print. I want to change dog d1. Sorry, dog d1. So okay, now I'm going to ask for the user input. So system.out.print, enter your new this, enter new breed of dog 1. So there, I'm going to ask for the string new breed equal to scan.next. So I'm asking for the user input string. Take into consideration that next and what I failed to previously mention is that in the next and next line, what was happening was that I placed a new line on the system.out.print. So all I have to do is, from the previous video, just remove the ln at print so that new line would work. So there, I already created the instances. Then now I'm creating the user input. So for the first, I'm typing Calye, and then the age is only 2, and then the color is brownish. Then I want to change. So first, you take it to the D3. So since I had the user input, then I placed it, so it was able to transact properly. Now let's check now. So I'm going to change D1. So new breed of dog 1. So I'm gonna write Shih Tzu. So as you can see in the example, it's now Shih Tzu. So yes, now let's give another example where I'm going to change its age. So new age, okay. Then next int, since an age. So since next int, so I have to change the string to an int. Then there's already a new breed, so it's new age. And I'm changing d1, the set, since what I was changing a while ago was a breed. So I have to change it to set age, then the new age. So if I run it, same thing. I write let me write hot dog. Then I press 2, and then I press brown. Then there. Then I'm gonna change. I want to change. Then I'm gonna change the breed to Shih Tzu also, and then I'm gonna place 100. Oops, wait. I'm so sorry. I removed set breed. So let me just place it there. D1 dot set breed. Since I replaced set breed with set age. So let me just change. Let's do this again. So I'm gonna place it hot dog, age 2, and then brown. Now I want to change. So I'm changing to Shih Tzu, and then I'm turning it into 1100. Yeah. So there, you see the difference. There's the sudden change. So basically, this is the another basics of how setters and getters work. So setters and getters will play a huge role, especially when you want to change variables in the middle of your program. So that's it. Stay tuned for another video of online video tutorials. Thank you.